Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be learning our times 5 table. So first let's go to the paint tool. And we are going to do the exact same strategy as we did last time, which is like we do 5 times 5 like this. 5 lines. And 5 lines on across. 4, 5. But then what you basically do is you count the intersections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. 5 times 5 is 25. So that is all what you are going to need to do. And let's go to the let's go to Mathematician and let's start. Alright, 3, 2, 1, start. 30, 20, 30, 20, 35, 40, 35, 40, 35, 50, 25, 10, 20, 5, 35, 10, 30, 15, 10, 40. 25 seconds. 100%. Bam! But first, I have to beat 20 seconds. Or just 20 seconds. 15, 30, 50, 35, 5. Oops. I messed up. Big time. Yeah, big time. Big time. Okay, yeah, I definitely messed up. Oh no. Yeah. Totally messed up. Again. 30, 50, 35, 15, 5, 45, 40, 50, 25, 40, 10, 45. Oh, that's 40. Oh no. Oh, I got that one wrong. I got that one wrong. 95%, yeah. 20, 45, 0, 30, 0, 20, 10, 30, 10, 40, 45, 25, 15, 40, 10, 30, 40, 0, 40, 25. 21 seconds, so close. 100%, yeah. Just, I have to beat that 20. 15, 20, 15, 10, 40, 5. Oh, I wrote 25. No. Retry. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. 15, 30, 25, 10, 45, 5, 25, 15, 10, 5, 0, 50, 10, 40, 50, 4. Oh, I keep messing up on that question. And I would have got like 18 seconds. Oh my god. 35, 10, 45, 25, 40, 45, 35, 25, 15, 30, 50, 10, 5, 25, 45, 10, 15, 20, 45, 15. Oh, 21 seconds again. I have to beat it. I have to beat it. And I messed up right off the bat. 40, 20, 30, 20, 30, 25, 40, 45. Oh my goodness. I need to stop messing up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I wrote 25. Why? 20, 50, 40, 50, 25, 32. Oh my goodness. 35, 45, 50, 15, 25, 5, 30, 25, 20, 40, 30, 25, 35, 25, 32. Yes! Yes, please, 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 please. Let's go, guys! We got the 20 seconds. Each question, 1 second. Bam! Let's go! I want to print it. No, I can't print it. Results. Hallelujah. Seconds. 20 seconds exactly. Man. Let's go. I'm just gonna try the mix now. Let me just feel how it is. See? Okay. Okay, I forgot that. No, 72. Oh, no, I got that wrong. I got that wrong. I got that wrong. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And share this with your friends. And I will see you later, guys. Bye-bye.